We've done this one, and then we're doing a white one. I made the threads and the tube.
That's the two little bits I made,
Printed them out. And I made the propeller, which will eventually fit in there with a glass door on it. So what happens is that spins, you know your pump is working on your laser. That's all it is, that's all it does. Is this thing airtight or not? So we got to find out what that's up to. And I accidentally drilled right through there, but that's alright. Poke that in there, push it up there a bit. What I'm going to do is put that on there, push that up to it's the glass, which is there, and then I'm going to drill a little indent into the thing. See, that fits in there. That works, even backwards. Okay. Well, Rob, why have you done two? And I'm going to say, I have no idea. So all I need is a O-ring, a rubber ring to fit on there. And I've got a box of rubber rings somewhere. Huh? So do you like that one or do you like that one? Which one do you want? This one? Or this one? Are you talking to me or not? This one or this one? Answer me. Oh, both of them. Nah, we don't want both of them, mate. Even though, yeah, close. No, we'll give one away. We'll keep one. Anyway, that's it. Bugger off. Okay, get back to whatever you was doing. They're all public, so I mean, if you wanted to copy, you could find them or give me an email or a message.